a YouTube tool review today on the Victorinox Farmer. Sorry, my desk is kind of cluttered right now because school stuff. The shelter video that I promised you guys can't be done today just because of legalities and whatnot. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys that this saw is very capable. I'm trying to do this without shaking the table too much. Also, this is hardwood, it's oak. I understand why people don't like doing this near tripods. Now this is just kind of quick pulling it across here. This is, I guess, you could notch wood or something, I don't know. But in the top here, I used the all-in, ground up some materials, so I'm going to try to use that as a fire starter tonight. The actual main blade is thick for a Swiss Army knife, and is nice and sharp. This is just a crappy index card to show you guys. Onto the screw it, that's gonna break my nail off. Anyway, this is the can opener and small screwdriver. I enjoy it, but the one on the Bantam I think is better. The combo tool where it's the bottle opener and the can opener in one. But this one works. I mean, this is my tool I take out with me. Then we have the bottle opener, wire stripper, and large flathead. I absolutely love this. And the last tool on it is the awl, which I use to drill holes all the way around this, and I used it for that. It's just a very effective tool. Then we have the silver Alox handles. It's real metal. Very durable. Like, I know that if I drop this out in the wild, it won't break if I slam it on a rock or anything. But then the chintzy plastic ones, they're not really chintzy, they're well built, but it's just if I drop it, I might break it, and I'm kind of afraid of that. The reason I kind of picked this one up is because there's no tools on the back, so it's easier to clean, and there's less stuff to get nooks and crannies to trap lint and stuff into. So next week sometime I'm going to talk with the owner of the private property that I was going to build on and see if I can work out a deal with them where I can get some land to build on. But I was going to do that today, but my parents called me and said, you have to come home. They didn't know where I was, I didn't tell them. Whatever. But finding land to do the stuff I want to do on is difficult. I might do a small time shelter in my backyard. like just to say, hey, I did it, yay. Anyway, it's not about that. This tool's absolutely amazing. I carry it on me every day. I don't use this saw every day, but it's nice to know I have it just in case. I use the main blade a lot. The awl I don't use all the time. I don't use the awl all the time. But it's nice to have. Same as the saw. I mean, I've had to. Woodworking buddy of mine was taking woodworking as a class, and he had to do a project last minute to do some finishing touches, and he needed an awl and a small saw. Pulled this out and handed it to him. Can opener I don't use every day. Bottle opener I use maybe once a month. But, you know, this is just my outdoor tool. I love the way that shines out and stuff. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's very grippy, and right now my hands are actually kind of damp, and I'm not afraid it's gonna slip out or anything. This is very grippy, like G10. This smooth. These are nice and smooth and rounded off. And if any of you can tell me, I haven't tried it, but I know some people have pointed out that, let's see if I can get this to focus on it. Yeah, there it is. The dip in this blade. Is that like a wire stripper, or is it just an indent on the tang? I mean, I think I don't. Wait, maybe I do. What I want to know is if you take that groove, put it in here, and no, it's too small. Yep. Nah, the one that was sparking right there was because of the edge of the blade hitting there and just sparking it. Well, that's one way to save your blade edge, though. I mean, you can go like that at an angle and just spark it. And you can catch a cotton ball with that, but nothing else. Wiping off the soot. But this is an absolutely gorgeous tool. Definitely a nice desk knife. If you're not going to be an outdoors person, get like something similar. I would definitely recommend getting the Bantam, the Pocket Pail, and the Secretary all three, because the Bantam and Pocket Pail both are plastic, and the Secretary has the metal handles. And the Pocket Pail is a nice EDC, as is the Bantam, and the Secretary, gorgeous suit knife. But yeah. So I'll explain more in a later video as to why I couldn't do the shelter video. So this bushcraft noob. I'll see you guys around.